Welcome to Guess the Animal! Today, we're exploring the vast and beautiful African savanna to discover a remarkable animal. Are you ready to play? Let's begin our adventure! Here's your first clue. Look at this close-up image of a spotted pattern. These spots are unique to each individual, just like fingerprints. Can you guess which animal this might be? Think about it for a moment. Your next clue, this animal has a very long neck. Its long neck helps it reach leaves high up in trees that other animals can't reach. Does this give you a hint about which savanna animal it could be? Here's another hint. This animal is the tallest land animal in the world. Can be as tall as a two-story building. Have you figured it out yet? Here's one more clue. This animal lives in the African savanna and primarily eats leaves from tall trees, especially acacia trees. Now, can you guess what animal this is? Let's recap. Our mystery animal has a spotted pattern, a long neck, is the tallest land animal, and lives in the African savanna. Can you guess what it is? Shout out your answers! If you guessed a giraffe, you're absolutely right! Giraffes are incredible creatures that tower over the savanna with their long necks and tall legs. Great job, everyone! Did you know that a giraffe's tongue can be up to 18 inches long and is often dark colored to protect it from sunburn? Giraffes only need to drink water every few days because they get most of their water from the leaves they eat. They also have a unique walking pattern, moving both legs on one side of their body at the same time. Aren't they fascinating? Thanks for playing Guess the Animal! We hope you had fun and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting animal adventures. See you next time!
Goodbye!